Okay, so here's worksheet 16.3, problems 7 through 14. We have the following sequence. T of n is equal to 4, 9, 14, and 19. Is this sequence arithmetic or geometric? Well, geometric has to be multiplied or divided by the same number every time. Arithmetic is adding or subtracting. To go from 4 to 9, we would have to add 5. That works. Add 5. Add 5, add 5. So we know that this is an arithmetic sequence. Write an equation that represents T of n. So T of n is equal to, if I'm adding 5 every time, I'm going to have 5 times n, or y equals 5x, plus the initial value. In this case, this is like step 1, 2, 3, 4. We need the initial value would be step 0. So we need to work backwards. 5, 4 minus 5 would be a negative 1. So the initial value is a negative 1. So it's 5n minus 1. From there we can answer all these questions by just plugging it in. T of 4, plug in a 4 right here. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. And sure enough, it matches up with step 4 right here. So step 7, we could either continue the table, add 5, and add 5 till we get to step 7, or we just plug in a 7 right here. 5 times 7 is 35, minus 1 is 34. T of 0 is the initial value. That should be the negative 1. Or if we plugged it in right here, 5 times 0 is 0, minus 1. T of 20, it starts to get to the point where you don't want to do a table. You're going to have lots and lots of numbers to finally get one little answer. So you definitely want to plug in the value of n equals 20. 5 times 20 is 100. Minus 1 is 99. If T of n was 29, one like this, we're pretty close. If I go to 5, 19 plus 5 is 24. If I go to step 6, 24 plus 5 is 29. So I know that it was at step 6, or in other words, n was 6. The other way we can do it is the way I will show for number 14. If T of n was 114, there's no way I want to take this table out till I get to 114. Anyways, what did I plug into here to get 114 out? So I could do 114 equals 5n minus 1 and use my algebra skills from there to solve for n. Add 1, 115 divided by 5 equals 23.